Hey there, is this thing on? I guess so. I want to show you my great horned owls. Amber and Andy are the babies this year, and they are the first owls in town to have running water. Check this out. Amber, hey baby, why don't you get a drink? What I did was I hooked up a hose so they have nice cold water. It's 113 degrees today on July 10th. So here we are. Hi Amber. How you doing, baby? Why don't you come down here and get a drink? Oh my, you're so beautiful. Why don't you come down here? Oh, thanks for the wink. Oh, I love you too, baby. Why don't you come down here and get a drink? Look. Got some nice running water. Huh? It's my baby Amber. Hi, baby. Oh, another wink. Thank you. Now for some still shots. They are federally protected.